Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about first class EVS, the fourth lesson. What is the fourth lesson? Clean, fit and healthy. Clean, fit and healthy. In the previous class, already we have discussed completed our 3 lessons and the grammar part, the textbook exercise we have already discussed and completed in our textbooks. Today we are going to learn about the 4th lesson, how to keep our body clean, fit and healthy. Children, how to keep our body clean? So first, that is to keep our body healthy. So first of all, we have to keep our body healthy. So how to keep our body healthy? Because we can keep our body, to keep our body healthy, to stay healthy. So first of all, we have to clean ourselves. We have to keep our body clean and fit to stay healthy. So the lesson is all about to how to keep our body. How to keep our body clean, fit and healthy. So here we can see some tips children. So keeping clean. So the first one is keeping clean. How to keep clean our body. So the first one is clean. So let us see the cleaning part. So how to keep cleaning. So here we can see keeping clean. So how to keep our body clean. The first one is, first of all you have to do is brushing. Yes children. Brushing our teeth twice a day. That is when we woke up in the morning and one more time before going to bed. So children, definitely you have to do this. So otherwise you will have more cavities in your teeth, and so in the daytime full, the whole daytime full you are eating. So everything we used to eat. So the chocolates, the toffees and the cakes, ice creams, whatever we have, so much. So all that before going to bed, when we, anyhow morning we are doing the brushing, but before going to bed is must and should. So when we do the brushing in the night times also, it is very good. That is a very good habit. So in this way we can keep it, because all the food particles whatever we eat in the daytime, it will go and stuck to our teeth, in the middle of the teeth. So in the middle of the teeth, if like totally if you keep without brushing, if you sleep, so more cavities will attack on your teeth and you'll have cavities in your teeth. So to avoid this, we have to brush our teeth twice a day. So children, this is the first point to keep our body clean. So the first one is brushing. Brushing our teeth twice a day. When we wake up in the morning and before going to bed. Now come to the second point. The second one is wash your hands before and after eating. Wash your hands before and after eating. So after eating anyhow we will wash, but before is must and should. So when mothers call it, it's time for lunch, it's time for breakfast and it's time for dinner. So you should, when you are going to eat something, any snacks or any food, whatever will be there. So before going to eat, we have to wash our hands children. Don't forget it children, the more diseases germs will go into our body because of the hands only. So the most dirty particles we have in our hands, with the hands when we touch any object with our hands, so definitely the germs will come and attach to our hand, and the food whenever we used to eat, so along with the food, the germs also will go into our tummy and then we'll start the stomach pain. So we'll say, "Mummy, stomach pain, mummy." So only within 2 days again we'll go to a doctor and immediately we'll go and fall sick again. So again we'll say, "Oh mama, my stomach is paining, my stomach is paining." So like that you will say. So to avoid this, what we have to do children? So don't forget, all of you, wash your hands before eating and after eating. Okay children? So wash your hands before eating and after eating. Come to the third point. What is the third point children? Bath every day. Bathing. So bathing is compulsory children. So every day twice we have to bath. So early morning and after playing. So when you are going after very tired, after playing, after so much sweat will have on your body. So more germs will be there on your body. Because of this, the rashes also will attack. So we can, when we are itching like this, so we will have some rashes also on our body. So to avoid these rashes and the sweat, so we have to do bathing. So then we can feel very fresh. So bathing also, how simply we will go in the bathroom and pour water on our body. Not like this. With a soap, with a good soap and a clean water, not the dirty water. So the water must be very clean and with a soap. So bathing every day with a soap and a water. So children, morning times and in the evening times also, because you are playing in the evening. Okay, so then also you have to do bathing. Every day you should do. Oh mama, no, today I have done the bathing. No, why I will do that tomorrow? No mama, leave it mama, tomorrow I will do the bathing. Please mama, so mama, like that you should not say. So bathing is compulsory, children. Then only you will feel very clean and very neat and your body also very be fit. Next, and the bathing after what you used to do? Yes, you have to use a clean towel. You have to use a clean towel. So the towel you are taking for cleaning, to our body, wiping. So that must be very clean. The dirty, 2 days the towel will be very dirty. So if you use the same towel for repeatedly, it may cause germs. So the separate towels you should keep. So all members at a time, only one towel you should not maintain. So the different family members in a family, so mama's towel, papa's towel and your towel and the sister towel, so we have different napkins. So the different towels, clean towels you should use. Not all members the same towel. So repeatedly you are using the towel means it will become dirty. So you have to use a clean towel. So that is, use a clean towel to wipe yourself. So when you are cleaning your body, when you are wiping, no, after that full water will be there. So you must use a clean towel. And the last one is, children, wear clean clothes. So bathing after what we used to do? We will wear our clothes. The clothes must be very neat and clean, not the dirty clothes. If anybody see with you your dirty dress, then the friends also will come near to you. So, oh, this boy is wearing a dirty dress, don't go near to this boy. He never used to bath, so he never used to get a bad smell if you go near. Hey, don't sit near that boy, like that they used to say. So, to avoid all these children, what you have to do? Yes, bathing every day is, otherwise you'll have a bad smell from your body. So, bathing compulsory. Bathing every day, using a clean towel, wearing clean clothes. So, these all the 5 points will make you clean. So, they will keeping the clean to our body. So, this body. So, we have to protect our body and we have to clean our body like this. We have to keep our body clean. So, these are the 5 things. So, one more time we should repeat, children. The first one is brush your teeth twice a day and wash your hands. The second one is wash your hands before eating and after eating. And the third point is bathing every day. So bathing every day with a good soap and a clean water. After bathing, use a clean towel to wipe ourselves. After that, the last one, so bathing after, we have to wear our clothes very clean. The clothes must be very clean. Very clean, well ironed and neat and tidy. So whenever you used to wear a clean clothes, then everybody will come here to, oh, this boy is so nice. He used to wear the different new clothes. This boy is dressed, yes, he's getting a nice smell. So like that everybody will appreciate. So these are the 5 points how we can keep our body clean. So I hope all of you understood, children. These are the 5 important points to keep our body clean. Next comes to the second one, fit. How to keep our body fit. So children, here we can see how to keep our body fit. So here we have completed how to keep our body clean. The 5 points we have already discussed in the previous class. Now today we are going to discuss about how to keeping our body fit. So how to keep our body fit, children? There are some points, children. The first one is exercise. So exercise is very much important. So exercise keeps us fit. So to keep our body fit, so we have to do exercise. So when we will do the exercise, children? Early morning, when we used to get up, that time we have to do the exercise. Not after eating something, after breakfast or after lunch. So that time you should not do, children. It can create more problems for you. So in that time you should not do the exercise. Whenever we want like that, we can't do the exercise. So exercise means always at the early morning. So early morning if we do the exercise means we can stretch the full body, we can stretch very easily and freely also. Because nothing will be there in our tummy and we can do it, everything with the exercise we can do very nicely. So after completing the exercise, then you can have a bath and then you can eat juice. You can eat some fruits or you can drink some healthy juices. So this makes your body fit and strong. So always, children, you can see the players also. All the players, the tennis players, the football players, playing the cricketers, everybody. So all the sportsmen, whoever will be the sportsmen, you can see, always they used to do the exercise. Then only the body is very fit. Even the ordinary people also we can do the exercise. Not only the sportsmen, everybody we can do. So it must be a part of our life. Even the film stars also they used to do the exercise because to keep their body fit and strong. So exercise only, it will make our muscles very strong. So we have already learned about that. After eating the food, the muscles. So whatever will be, the muscles will be there to our bones and muscles will be strong after by doing the exercise. So it has to be the yoga and the exercise. It must be the part of in our life. That is very much good for our health. So exercise only keeps us very fit and healthy and strong also. So because of exercises only, our body will become healthy and strong. No other diseases will attack your body. Because your body will be very healthy and strong. Only after doing the exercises, you have to take the good food also. The food also will play important role. The food and so the healthy fruits, the fresh fruits and vegetables also will play important role. So by doing the exercise only, our body will be very healthy and strong. And the third one is the playing. So you are the small children. So small children, what we used to do? Playing. So playing is only the best exercise for ourselves. So always we used to, the small children, what they used to do? Playing. So what are the playing, what you do? So playing is where we have to do, children? Yes, playing is good when we go outdoors. So when we have to play outdoors, not indoors. So always taking the video game and playing, always taking the phone and playing games in the phones. So that is very bad. So you should not play like that. That is not an exercise for you. The physical exercise must be there. Means in an exercise means the whole body must involve that. So all the body must involve in it. So all from the top of the head to the tip of the toe. So the full body parts must move in your body. So playing means like that outdoors if you go and play anything, running, for example running, walking, jogging, jumping. So all these exercises. Even swimming also. Swimming also is very good exercise. So playing cricket, running with your friends, playing any kabaddi or any some other games. So this type of exercises you can do because you are the small children. So you can do some small exercises by running, jumping. So like the skipping is also, that is very important. So no, everybody know that skipping is, even the all members, the college students also like that, everybody will used to do the skipping. So you also can do. So the skipping is also a very good exercise, keeping our body to fit and healthy. So by doing that, only you should play, children, outdoor games. You should not sit inside the house and indoor games you should not play. Playing games in cell phones, mobiles, video games, board games, like that, no, that is not the correct one. So the body must involve in giving exercise to our body, physical exercise. The whole body must move. All the muscles in our body must move. So like that you should do. So playing is very good. For example, outdoors. I told you before only. So outdoor games you should play. For example, walking, running, sitting, jogging. So here the swimming also is very good exercise. So these are the important points to keep our body fit. So in this way, by doing the exercise, we can keep our body fit, strong and healthy. Okay children, so here we have completed the second one, that is fit. Cleaning is completed and coming to the fit. So here is the fit. So exercise, the first one is exercise keeps us fit, and exercise only because of doing the exercise our body will become healthy and strong. So playing is very good exercise. So for example, so we should play outdoor games student, for example walking, running, swimming, etc. Swimming is very good exercise for you. So here we have completed how to keep our body clean and how to keep our body fit. And the third one, the last one, how to keep our body healthy. Okay, the third one, let us know about the how to keep our body healthy. So these are the things we have. Here we have completed all the keeping clean and keeping fit. I hope all of you understood these two topics children. Let us see the third one. So children, here we can see, so we have learned about how to keep our body clean and how to keep our body fit. Before going to the third topic, that is about the healthy, so let us we learn about some more about that. So that is the rest and the sleep. So after doing a lot of work in the whole daytime, so how it will be in the night children? So we feel very tired, isn't it? So everybody, all of them will feel so tired. So we have to get rest to our physical body and our mind also. So when we will get the rest? Yes, when we used to sleep. So when we used to sleep, then only we have our body also rest and the mind also rest. Yes. So when we doing that the whole daytime, so the children we are working, so the children we are doing a lot of work in our school. The school activities are playing, the writing, reading, learning, everything, all the homeworks we are doing. So we are so tired. The night means, so we are so tired. Mummy also the whole daytime she is working. So being as a housewife she is working, and suppose in some other families maybe she might have done any work, she is doing any job means then also she is working. Her daddy also working. All the human beings, everybody in the daytime full they are going on working, and comes to the night, so we are very tired. So we also have some rest. So how to get this rest? So by sleeping. So to rest our body we have to sleep all of it. So the night times what we used to do children? Yes, we should not always going inside to the watching the serials, movies, taking the video games, playing video games, like that should not do children. All this work and all we should not do in the night times. So the night means we have to give rest to our eyes, to our mind and to our body also. So this is must and should. So we must rest when we feel very tired. Whenever you feel so tired, then you have to take some rest. You should give some rest to our body. Then only the next work we can do very energetically and we can do our work very fastly. So night times what happens? So we are sleeping time, what will happen children? Yes, our body full relaxed. We have to get a full enjoyable sleep. So our body must be full relaxed. The mind also be, there is no thinking, no nothing, oh this is, we have to write this one, we have to do this homework and we have to learn this, oh tomorrow is exam. This tension should not be. So we have to keep our mind also relaxed. So then mind also relax, our body also relax. Then you have a better full sleep. The sleep must be nearly 7 to 8 hours children. So minimum 7 hours and maximum 8 hours you have to sleep. So then only our sleep is fully complete, and next day morning we will, when we wake up, so our body will be very energetic. So the next day we can do the more work than better today. So like that we can give the reboot. We can give more energy to our body. Yes, no children. So more the next day when we woke up, so we can regain more energy, and we can do with the wholeheartedly and the full energy we used to get our body. The body will regain our energy. So the rest and sleep we should do completely. So we have to give the rest to our body also and the mind also. So nearly 7 to 8 hours we have to sleep. So what to do, children, to get the 8 hours sleep? We have to go to bed early, and early morning when we woke up, you have to wake up early. When you go to bed early only, then only you can wake up in the morning early. So always go to sleep very early, children. Not up to 10:30, 11, should not be like that. So the timing must be maximum. The small children you have to sleep at 8:30, 9, maximum 9 o'clock you should sleep. So when you will go to bed early, then only you will complete your sleep, and you can wake up early in the morning. So we should go to bed early, and we should wake up early in the morning. So this is about the rest and sleep. And the last one is staying healthy. How to keep our body healthy, children? Yes, the food. So to keep our body healthy, we have to take the healthy food. We have to take the healthy food. So the healthy food only helps us, our body to grow. Help our body also to grow, and it gives us the more energy. So whatever energy we are using to work and play, so these are energy where we are getting from the food. Whatever the food we used to eat, the healthy food you should eat. The fresh fruits and vegetables, the body building food, the energy giving food, all the different types of food we have. So all the protective food, the balanced diet. So all these food when we take, then only our body will be healthy and strong. And water. How the water must be? Yes, we have to drink the clean water, and more water we should drink. Plenty of water we have to drink. Nearly 6 to 8 glasses of water we have to drink. So to keep our body, to keep by staying healthy, so these are the points. So by eating healthy food, so the healthy food, whatever the food will help us to grow, and it will give us energy, and we should drink clean water. So the water, whatever we drink, that we have to be very clean water we should drink. Okay, children, here we have completed our lesson. How to keep our body clean, fit and healthy. So the first step to keep our body clean. So we should recap, children, one more time what are the important points here we have. So we should keep ourselves, first of all, we have to keep our body clean. So how to keep our body clean? We should brush our teeth twice a day, bathing every day with a soap and water. So the towel must be very clean. We have to wear a clean clothes, and we should not wear the dirty clothes. And how to keep our body fit, children? Exercise. By doing exercise, our body can keep fit and healthy. So after doing the lot of work, we have to give rest also to our body. So we should rest nearly 7 to 8 hours we should sleep, children. Then only our body and mind will be relaxed, and we have a complete sleep. And the last one is we have to take a healthy food. By taking the healthy food, we can keep our body healthy and strong. Drinking clean water, taking healthy food. So here we have completed our lesson, the fourth lesson, keeping clean, fit and healthy. So I hope all of you understood the lesson, children. Thank you.